Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how you can increase sales for rugs online. So now there are various ways by using which you can increase sales for your rugs business. You can do various type of advertising or the marketing over here. In terms of the marketing, you can do like the PPC side of things, which is the pay per click. You can do the SEO and the SMO side of things as well. The SEO and the SMO side of things is like more of the organic kind of thing, and it will take months and months for you to get some sort of results. But from the PPC side of things, you should be able to see the results for these type of campaigns almost instantly, and sometimes you just set up the campaigns in the first week. From the second week you start to see some kind of results coming in. So now let's just dive into what type of campaign works well for the rugs business online. For the rugs, we can say, like, for example, there are few type of rugs that is there. For example, the Persian rugs, we have the Oriental rugs, and then there are tens of other variations of these two type of rugs online. So what we normally do is that we normally get started with setting up of the Google Merchant Center. Now this is one of the most important step in this whole puzzle. We definitely need to make sure that the Merchant Center is set up properly. The website is set up based on the Google ad policies, and there are some things that needs to be there on the website before you set up the Merchant Center, like the contact information, the SSL certificate, and then there are some policy pages that needs to be there. So if you are not sure on how to do that, you can certainly contact us, and we should be able to let you know the best way to do these things, and we will be doing it properly so that you don't face any suspension. So now once the feed is done in the Google Merchant Center, you can then just try setting up the products for each product type. For example, setting up a separate campaign for each product type. For example, we have separate campaign for the Persian rugs, and then separate campaign for the Oriental rugs, and then so on. After spending the budget for a few weeks, we should be able to see which one of these campaigns are working better than the other. Then based on the ROI we get, the budgets will be reassessed accordingly. The optimizations of the campaign needs to be done so that you can see which products out of those that you are doing the advertisement for, which one of those are working better than the other. So for example, there are few products that are having much better conversions and the ROI. You can try to ramp up the spend from them, but there will be some products where you are spending the money but they are not converting that well. So you need to control the budget from those kind of products so that you can maximize the search impression share from the best converters. So now that does not mean that you should stop the non-performing one completely. You can take those products into a new campaign with the smaller budget and the lower bidding, and do the optimization of those products using the supplemental feed. That way you should be able to do the optimization for those, and you need to find out some new winners. That way you can have those products even further segregated out for the sellers and for those that does not sell well. This is for the shopping side of things. After having a few conversions, for example, you have around 15 to 20 conversions in the last 4 weeks, then you can start setting up the performance max ad campaign for those products. That's how you will be able to maximize the search impression share from them. The next type of campaign that we should be running are the remarketing campaigns. The remarketing campaigns will be for those visitors who have visited the website but they have left the website from the add to cart page, and we can give them like an extra 5% off using a certain coupon code. That strategy also worked really very well for us, and we have seen some great results after doing that. On the other side of things, in terms of the platform, we can also start a small remarketing campaign on the Facebook side of things. While on the Facebook, we only need to target the add to cart abandoners. That way the visitor, they will be able to see that we are present on social media as well, and they will have a good image of our brand name in their mind. Once we are able to see what products are doing best on Google, then we can start shifting those products on the Microsoft Ads side of things. On the Microsoft Ads, the ads will be showing on various platforms like the Bing or the yahoo.com, and we should be able to see some kind of search volume, but the search volume will be much lesser than Google. So by doing these things, you should be able to get sales online, and instead of waiting for 6 to 8 months for the results to appear, with the PPC side of things, you can imagine the fact that you should be able to see the results almost instantly, that is from the second week itself. If you have any PPC campaigns running, then you can contact us for the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. And if you do not have any ads running, then you can still contact us for the proposal. You can just share with us the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. You can contact us through WhatsApp. There is a number on top right corner. You can even go to our website and see our services that we offer, and then you can fill the form on the website to contact us. We should be able to get back to you with the plan of action on how you can take your business to the next level.